Alrighty, so here's another one. Now, this one's just a little bit different. We need to change our basic equation just a little bit because we don't have B and A. Instead, we've got B and C, and B is our first point of interest. So we just have to kind of rewrite this as VC is VB plus omega K cross RBC. All right. So once we do that, we're fine. But then we're going to play the same game. We've got to figure out this term, and then we'll have to figure out that term. Well, VB is pretty easy. It gives it to us right here. VB is going to be minus 60 I hat. Let me see if I can write that just a little bit better for you guys. Okay. VB is minus 60 I hat. That's a hat right there. Okay. Okay. Then we've got to define our vector BC, which comes up here, just like that. And so that's very straightforward. So RBC turns out to be minus 2.5 cosine 30 degrees I hat plus 2.5 sine 30 degrees J hat. Okay. And then we get busy over here with our equation. So VC is VB, which we said was minus 60I, and then plus omega K hat crossed with minus 2.5 cosine 30 I hat plus 2.5 sine 30 J hat. Okay, let's execute our cross product. So that gets us to VC is equal to minus 60I plus, sorry about that, minus 2.5 omega cosine 30 I hat. No, J hat. J hat. Okay, plus 2.5 omega sine 30 minus I hat. And we set up our two separate equations based on this. So over here, we'll do the i's. Okay, now VC doesn't have any I components. I forgot to talk about that part. See, it's just going to move straight up like this. So there's no I components on VC. So that means we have 0 is equal to minus 60I. Oops, I don't need to put I on there. It's already there. Minus 60 minus 2.5 omega sine 30. Okay, so there's one equation. And then our other equation, I'll do it down here. J hat is going to be VC is equal to minus 2.5 omega cosine 30. There we go. Okay. Now, don't let this, I gotta move my picture. Sorry about that. Now, don't let this 0 right here, well, I already talked about the 0, but When you do this equation right here, okay, if I take 60 over there, it's going to be positive. I'm going to divide by a negative number. Omega will be negative. Okay, omega will be a negative number. So that means that this bar is going to be rotating this way. And that's what's going to happen when this part comes forward and this part goes up. All right, so I hope you can see that in your mind. It's going to do like this. Okay, just like that. Now then what will happen is with that negative number, once you put that in here for your omega, then you're going to have minus times a minus, and then you're going to get a positive value for your VC, which makes sense with how we've thought through about it. They should go up. So that should work out too.